Hello students. Today the topic is standard deviation for the continuous series. Last class we solved the standard deviation for the discrete series. Standard deviation for the continuous series formula is sigma equal to square root of summation f d square by n minus summation f d by n the whole square into c. We know very well in mean d equal to x minus a by c. X equal to mid value of the class interval, A equal to assumed mean, C equal to length of the class interval, and N equal to total frequency. So D equal to X minus A by C, A equal to mid value of the assumed class interval, X equal to mid value of the class interval, C equal to length of the class interval, and N equal to total frequency. We see the problem. Calculate standard deviation. The questions are class interval and frequency. Class intervals are 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, and 40 to 50. Frequency 2, 5, 9, 3, 1. First, we see the standard deviation formula. Standard deviation equal to square root of summation fd square by n minus summation fd by n the whole square into c. So we need the fd total and f into d square total. We know very well how to calculate d. D equal to x minus a by c. And x equal to mid value of the class interval. A equal to assumed mean. A is a mid value of the x. And c equal to length of the class. That means difference between the class interval, and n equal to total frequency. First, we create the tabular column. What we need? We need class interval, frequency are given x. We have to calculate x. We know how to calculate x. X is the mid value of the class interval. We have to add the upper class interval and lower class interval and divided by 2. We get the middle of the class interval. And d equal to x minus a by c. A equal to mid value of the x, C equal to length of the class interval, and then square d square, and we need fd and f into d square. First, we fill the class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, and 40 to 50. We know the frequencies 2, 5, 9, 3, 1. Next, we calculate the value x. X is the mid value. First mid value is you have the upper interval and lower interval and divided by 2. This is the mid value format. 0 plus 10 by 2 is 10. 10 by 2, 5. Then continue this process. We get 10 to 10 to mid value 15. Next to 25, 35, and 45. And next create the D. D, we need the mid value. Mid value equal to meaning the A. A means mid value of the X. Assumed mean, this is the assumed mean. They said A value equal to 25. 25 is the midterm of the X. It is assumed. We have to assume that value A equal to 25 and C equal to 10. So X equal to 25 because mid value of the X. That's assumed mean. And A equal to difference between the class interval 10. So D equal to X minus A by C. So X minus 25 by 10. So first D values 5 minus 25 and divided by 2. 5 minus 25 is minus 20 by 10 minus 2. And next, continue the same process, 15 minus 25 equal to minus 10, 10 minus 10 by 10 minus 1. Next to 25 minus 25, 0, 0 by 10 is 0. Next to 35 minus 25 equal to 10. And then divide by 10 equal to 1. And next 45 minus 25 equal to 20. 20 by 10 equal to 2. Next to D square. D square equal to minus 2 the whole square equal to 4. And minus 1 the whole square equal to plus 1. And 0 the square equal to 0. 1 square equal to 1 and 2 square equal to 4. Next, we need f into d. F into d means 2 into minus 2, minus 4. 5 into minus 1, minus 5. And f into d, we need most important f into 9 into 0, 0, 3 into 1, 3, 1 into 2, 2, and f into d total and f into d square. We need f into d square, 2 into 4, 8, and 5 into 1, 5, and next 9 into 0, 9, next 3 into 1, 3, 1 into 4, 4. So in this problem, we need FD total and FD square total and F. We know your capital N equal to total frequency. So total frequency is 20. Add the frequencies. 9 plus 1, 10, 13, 18, 20. And we need the FD. Minus 9, minus 3, minus 6, plus 2, minus 4. And we need a FD square value. 8 plus 5 plus 3 plus 4. So 12, 20. Then these values, we substitute the formula. So square root of FD square value is 20. 20 by capital N, total frequency equal to 20, minus FD total minus 4 divided by 20, the whole square into C. So 20 by 21 minus 4 by 20 minus 0.2, the whole square, and into length of the clan square 10. For squaring, 1 minus 0 point squaring value is 0.04. So square root of 1 minus 0.4 value is 0.96 into 10. The square root of 0.966 is 0.98 into 10. Therefore, the standard deviation is 0.98 in 10 is 9.8. The standard deviation value is 9.8. The standard deviation formula for the continuous series is sigma equal to root of summation f d square by n minus summation f d by n the whole square into c. The formula we have calculate only FD total and FD square total and capital N we need. This use this formula, we can easily get the standard deviation, the continuous series value. Thank you.